Replacing the Platen roller. Replacing the Platen roller on a ZT610 and ZT620 printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media door. Remove the electronics cover mounting screw. Close the media door. Remove the 3 electronics cover mounting screws. Lift off the electronics cover. Loosen the locking screw on the main drive belt tensioner. Move the main drive belt tensioner and then tighten the locking screw. Slide the main drive belt out of the printer. Loosen, but do not remove, the screw in the Platen pulley assembly. Remove the Platen pulley. Open the media door. Loosen the screw holding the Platen bearing retainer. Open the print head assembly. Remove the upper Platen roller from the printer. Insert the new Platen roller through the mounting hole. Align the Platen bearings with the mounting holes in the mainframe and the side plate. Install the Platen bearing retainer over the bearing. Partially tighten the screw for the Platen bearing retainer, but do not tighten the screw completely. Close the print head assembly while aligning the locating pin into the retainer. Fully tighten the Platen bearing retainer screw. Close the media door. Reinstall the upper Platen roller pulley. Tighten the pulley mounting screw. Reinstall the main drive belt. Ensure the belt is on the inside part of the idler pulley. Loosen the rewind tensioner screw. Rotate the belt several times to seat the belt on the pulleys. Tighten the screw on the main drive belt tensioner. Reinstall the electronics cover. Reinstall the 3 electronics cover screws. Open the media door. Install the electronics cover screw. Close the media door. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer.